This is the access from upstairs. Our unit sits right down here.
Yeah.
Looking at replacing the furnace, the air conditioner, maybe putting in a media box. So we would have to move this drain line possibly to the other side. One thought is maybe if you could consider moving the humidifier to the back side of the furnace and flip-flopping it. Maybe have this piped over to here, so when we do move the return out, this won't be in the walking path. We are venting out this way. Air conditioner sits at the other end down there.